Hello everyone. Welcome again to class. Today again I'll be discussing drop twos. Now I explained it in the other video. Drop two is when you drop the second note from the top of your chord. So I'm on C sharp right now. This is my chord 1. If I count from the top, which is a C sharp, F, and G sharp, if I count from the top backward, so G sharp is the first note, F is the second note, and C sharp is the third note if I count from the top. So now this second note, you drop it, it becomes the base of this chord at the point you want to use it. So you do the same thing for other chord structure or voicing. So now chord 2 is a minor chord, which is this. You understand? This is my chord 2. This is my chord 2. If I invert it, so I can drop the 2 also. If I hold my chord 2 this way, I can drop this. If I do it with 1, it sounds this way. Then to your 5. You see that? Now, the same thing happens to chord 3, which is this, on F sharp. If you hold it this way, you can drop this. The same thing happens to chord 6. If you hold it this way, you can drop it. You can drop this. But you see, most of the time, because in gospel piano we want to add a lot of color to it, you will hardly hear pianists do drop 2 on chord 6. They will rather do it this way. And this actually a substitute also for your chord 6. Instead of playing your chord 6 this way, you can make it a drop 2 for the chord 4 this way. So, you understand? So if I put it in a song, for example, let's do the song I usually use, Holy Ghost. Do it again. Holy Ghost, do it. Can you see that? Instead of doing do it again. Now if you do it this way, it's correct. But you may want to add color to it because you want to use your drop 2. So instead of playing the 6 this way, just do this. You understand? Holy Ghost, you see that? So this is your chord 4. You are playing drop 2 of it because this is it. Now you drop these 2. Now this is common in gospel piano a lot. People, instead of going to chord 6, just do drop 2 on that chord 4. Then now I'm going to chord 6 now, real time. Now that's for minor chords. You know, I said we'll do it on 2 a lot. On 3 also, pianists will rather do this. They will use drop 2 on chord 1 instead of using this. You understand? Depending on what you want to achieve. Now, on diminished chord. Now look at this. Now this is a diminished chord 7 on C sharp. This is diminished chord 7 on D sharp. Now you can use this to pass to 6. You can use this to pass to 6. Now you can play it in drop 2. If you hold this chord this way, counting from top to the bottom, this is the 2. Can you see that? So if you move it, you can do. You see that? Now I'm sure you must have heard this a lot in a lot of gospel albums. You hear something like this. that? Do you see that? You see that? Let's do it again. Slowly. Holy Ghost, we want to go to 6. Now I want to use that diminished 7 to go to 6. So look at it. Holy Ghost, do you get it? Let me do it again slowly. Holy Ghost, again. Drop 2. Drop 2. Drop 2. Drop 2. So let's put it to work and infuse this in your playing and enjoy yourself. Thank you.